Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly open camera, and then when you adjust to normal photo mode, hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot must start. So as you can see right now I took like 18 pictures. Here you can review them all, select the one that fits you best and delete the ones you don't need. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.